Hi everyone, I just thought I'd make this quick video for you all, just to warn you all about this scam that's going around at the minute. I received an email today, and as you can see there, it's got my name, Smoothie77. It looks like an official YouTube email, and it says, "We received a complaint that there are many spam videos on your YouTube channel, but you do not have to worry. We'll review your channel by our YouTube team and we'll let you know by email. In the meantime, we recommend you do not upload new videos. Fill in the following information and reply to this email. Otherwise, if your channel is not reviewed by our YouTube team, your channel will be closed." Now that's worrying, isn't it? Thank you for your patience in this process. Right, well, you've only just got to see down the bottom there, the information that it's asking for is your channel URL, copyright yes or no, channel email, and then there's the big giveaway right there. Channel password. YouTube will never ask you for your channel password. This is an absolute scam. I've just been online to check this out. Other people have reported this too, but this is in circulation at the minute, so if you find this in your inbox, don't be alarmed, and whatever you do, do not answer to it or give your channel password away. This is completely fake, okay? Take care everybody, bye for now.